Okay, gentlemen, we felt confident enough to put the battery in this thing, and we put our steering wheel in it, and things started springing to life here. The electrical on the air conditioning works. We've got the courtesy lights working to some degree here. The left-hand remote mirror is working. However, the right one, I'm going to have to spend some time and go through this pile here and get a decent servo motor for the up-down function. And the headlights work, tail lights work. I don't know if the brake lights work. We haven't actually looked at that, but Tony's happy, right?
We're doing good. We're moving along, making progress.
Yeah, it's taken a lot of time, but it's a lot of old stuff that we're having to refurbish to get it to work. We got this light right here that for some reason isn't coming on when it should, but we'll figure it out. So anyway, we're making progress. Not as quickly as I'd like, but it is what it is. And the windows work too. I believe this is the switch. Needs a bit of adjustment.